For the second time in 2 weeks, the Justice Department has targeted a political enemy of President Trump's.
Yeah, and to get this indictment, there's quite a kerfuffle about it. New York Attorney General Letitia James is now indicted, facing a bank fraud charge.
Yeah, I mean, President Trump called for the Justice Department to act after James brought a $500 million civil fraud case against him and his family. Eyewitness News reporter Jaysha Patel live right outside of James's office in Lower Manhattan with more. Jaysha.
Charlene, Sandra, Sam, good morning. Well, this indictment comes weeks after President Trump posted on social media calling for Attorney General Pam Bondi to bring these charges against James. And now James is denying these charges. New York Attorney General Letitia James firing back after she was indicted on charges of alleged bank fraud, becoming the second Trump political opponent in a span of 2 weeks to face prosecution.
This is nothing more than a continuation of the president's desperate weaponization of our justice system.
James has been a target of the president since she brought a $500 million civil fraud case against Trump and his family.
I stand strongly behind my office's litigation against the Trump Organization. We conducted a 2-year investigation based on the facts and evidence, not politics. Judges have upheld the trial court's finding that Donald Trump, his company, and his 2 sons are liable for fraud.
The president's hand-picked U.S. attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, Lindsay Halligan, presenting the case to the grand jury just 3 weeks after Trump forced out her predecessor, Eric Siebert. Siebert and his prosecutors spent months looking into properties James owns, interviewing at least 15 people searching for evidence she committed mortgage fraud. But sources say they determined there was not enough evidence to bring charges. President Trump insisting otherwise.
It looks to me like she's very guilty of something.
The indictment of James comes after a grand jury in Virginia also indicted former FBI Director James Comey, another political opponent Trump has publicly identified for targeting. Comey pleaded not guilty on Wednesday. Now experts warn there could be more charges coming.
Seems that this is definitely just the beginning. The Department of Justice seems that it has been weaponized now.
And James has been ordered to appear in court later this month on October 24th. Live in Lower Manhattan, Jaysha Patel, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.